Myself, Dr. Brajesh Singh, Assistant Professor, Chemistry Department, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Government Degree College, Bhadoi. Today I am going to discuss difference between Cp and Cv, which is also known as Mayer's equation. First of all, we will say what do we mean by heat capacity. Heat capacity of a substance is defined as the amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of substance through 1 degree Celsius. When it is calculated at constant pressure, it is represented as heat capacity at constant pressure or denoted as Cp. When it is calculated at constant volume, it is usually denoted as Cv. Heat capacity can be written as dq upon dt. Cp can be written as dqp upon dt. We know that heat content at constant pressure is enthalpy. So Cp can be written as del H upon del T at constant volume. Heat content at constant volume is internal energy. Therefore, Cv can be written as del E upon del T at constant volume. Now we will say that when at constant pressure, we find that heat is sum of internal energy and some part of heat is used in performing work, whereas at constant volume, heat totally changes into internal energy or raises the temperature of the system, because at constant volume there is no work done. So from here it is very much clear that Cp is larger than Cv. Now the question arises, how much Cp is larger than Cv? Let's see. Now subtract the Cv from Cp and see how much Cp is larger than Cv. We find that Cp minus Cv is equal to del H upon del T at constant pressure minus del E upon del T at constant volume, as it is written in equation number 1. We know that H is equal to E plus Pv, or it can be written as dH is equal to dE plus Pdv. At constant pressure, above equation may be written as del H upon del T at constant pressure equal to del E upon del T at constant pressure plus P del V upon del T at constant pressure, as it is written in equation number 2. Now put the value of del H upon del T at constant pressure in equation number 1. We get equation number 3. Cp minus Cv equal to del E upon del T at constant pressure plus P del V upon del T at constant pressure minus del E upon del T at constant volume. We all know that internal energy is a state function. For chemically inert closed system, it would depend on temperature and volume. So we can say that energy is a function of volume and temperature for chemically inert closed system. Let's see how much change in internal energy is found on changing the volume and temperature. Del E equal to del E upon del V at constant temperature to dV plus del E upon del T at constant volume to dt. as it is written in equation number 4. Applying the condition of constant pressure and dividing it by dt throughout, we get del E upon del T at constant pressure equal to del E upon del V at constant temperature into del V upon del T at constant pressure plus del E upon del T at constant volume, as it is written in equation number 3. Substituting the value of del E upon del T in equation number 3, we get Cp minus Cv equal to del E upon del V at constant temperature into del V upon del T at constant pressure plus del E upon del T at constant volume plus pressure into del V upon del T minus del E upon del T at constant pressure equal to del E upon del V at constant temperature into del V upon del T at constant pressure plus pressure into del V upon del T at constant pressure. We see that del V upon del T at constant pressure is common. Let's take it to one side. Del V upon del T at constant pressure into, in square bracket, put del V upon del E upon del V at constant temperature plus P. Here we see that del E upon del V at constant temperature is internal pressure. Pressure is force per unit area. According to postulates of kinetic theory of molecular gases, we know that there is no intermolecular force of attraction between gaseous molecule. So, when there is no internal force, it is very much clear that there is no internal pressure. Therefore, del E upon del V at constant temperature is found to be 0. On putting the value of del E upon del V at constant temperature, we get Cp minus Cv is equal to P del V upon del T at constant pressure. For 1 mole of perfect gas, Pv is equal to RT. Differentiating the above equation with respect to temperature, we get PdV plus VdP is equal to RdT. But at constant temperature, dP is equal to 0. Now putting the value of dP in the above equation, we get PdV is equal to RdT, or we can say that PdV upon dt at constant pressure is equal to R. Here Cp minus Cv is equal to P del V upon del T at constant pressure, and that equation we found that P del V upon del T at constant pressure is R. So putting the value of P del V upon del T at constant pressure in that equation, we get Cp minus Cv is equal to R. This equation is also known as Mayer's equation. I hope you people have understand the difference between Cp and Cv, which is also known as Mayer's equation. Thank you very much.